My name is Mike Idle with Amatrol. Today I want to give you just a brief overview of the T7200 refrigeration installation training system. It's designed with both a workstation and interactive, comprehensive world-class curriculum to teach the installation of electrical and mechanical refrigeration and air conditioning components in both residential and light commercial applications. So as you can see here, a big theme of what we're teaching here is copper tubing. Not just how to install it, but how to prepare it for different levels of application. And you can see here on this system, it is covered throughout the entire area. We have a semi-hermetic compressor. We have both an evaporator coil and a condenser coil on this system. We cover thermostat operation. We have different types of pumps on here. And then even on the back side, it is a double-sided system. So as much as we have on the front side, the copper tubing, on the back side we have the wiring portion of this. You're also going to learn how to cut, pull, and splice wire and install it in different types of applications. Alongside with the wiring, we have a thermostat, we have an electronic temperature control range, and we have a circuit breaker panel back here, as well as different other components that you will commonly find, again, in those residential and light commercial applications. The comprehensive curriculum includes over 16 modules of content, starting with basic foundational learning of these components into the real-world installation and refrigeration level of these components. This system is a great starting point for the field of refrigeration. Amatrol is also developing additional systems dealing with more in-depth levels of commercial refrigeration, industrial refrigeration, and control. Before you get into those fields, this is a great point to learn how do you even develop the basic components of cutting and soldering copper tubing, or cutting and splicing and pulling wire with a fish tape. That can all be learned on this system here. It is a great hands-on kit-based system to get you started, whether you're at a school or on-the-job training. I would encourage anyone that has any questions about this system to reach out to Amatrol directly and contact your local rep. Thank you.